Good morning student and welcome to our English language class. Today I am going to explain you the adjectives and kinds of adjectives. The definition of adjective is words which describe something are called adjective. All describing words are adjective. All describing words are known as adjectives. For example, the fat man has a brown dog. Here, this fat word is our describing word. This word fat is describing a man. Man is fat. Okay. And here this is your dog. And dog is brown. The color of dog is brown. It is brown color's dog. This brown word is describing a dog. So these two words, fat and describing, I am highlighting it. Fat and describing, brown, both are describing words. So these are our adjectives. In second example, the thin man has a grey dog. Here the dog is, the color of dog is grey and man is thin. In first sentence, man was fat and dog was brown. Fat and brown are the describing words, means adjective. Now in second example, the man is thin and dog is grey in color. This grey word is describing to this dog and this thin word is describing the man. So these two words, thin and grey, both are our adjective for man and dog. Now kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjective. There are 6 kinds of adjective. How many kinds? 6. We are having 6 kinds of adjective. Number 1, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, then demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Okay, now first is your adjectives or of quality. Adjective of quality tell us about the quality of something. They are answer the question what kind. Here it is. Examples. Sita is an honest girl. Sita is an honest girl. Second example. The foolish crow tried sing. Here the word honest. The word honest is an adjective which tell what kind of girl Sita is. What kind of girl Sita is? Sita is an honest girl. In this type of adjective, it gives the answer of what kind. Okay. The word foolish. Here the foolish crow. Crow is foolish. The word foolish is an adjective. This foolish word is our adjective which tell us what kind of crow it was. What kind of crow it was? The answer is the foolish crow tried sing. The crow was foolish. What kind of crow it was? The crow was foolish. Okay, understand? Now second, adjectives of quantity. The adjectives of much, a little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all, half, no tell us how much of a thing is instead. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Adjective of quantity give the answer of question how much. Here is example. He ate some rice. We can make for this question, how much rice he ate. What question we can make it? One example number 1. He ate some rice. He ate some rice. Question for this line, this statement, how much? Because the adjectives of quantity give the answer of question how much. So look at here, how much rice he ate. This is the question and this is the answer. He ate some rice. Now how much rice he ate, and this question and answer is he ate some rice. This is your sentence. Now again here, now you can see clearly, he ate some rice. How much rice he ate, and this is the answer of this question, how much. Okay, adjective of quantity give the answer of how much. Here next example, there is little water in the jug. The statement is there is little water in the jug. Now question for this statement, how much water in the jug? How much water in the jug? The answer is there is little water in the jug. Understand? Adjective of quality always gives the answer of how much. He had enough bread. How much bread he had? He had enough bread. Now your third kind of adjective is adjectives of number. The adjective all, many, several, 5, some, first, most, 10, that, how many person, or things there are, or in what order any of them stands are called adjectives of number. Adjectives of number answer the question how many or in what order. Okay, adjective of number give the answer of how many, and adjective of quantity give the answer of how much, and number is giving the answer of question how many. See, look at the example. The hand has 5 fingers. Question for this. The hand, this is your example. The hand has 5 fingers. Okay, and this 5 is your adjective. I am telling you, adjective of number give the answer of how many. Question how many. See here, how many fingers has a hand? A hand or the hand. How many fingers has a hand? The answer will be the hand has 5 fingers. Understand? This is your question how many, and this is your answer 5 fingers. Adjective of number give the answer of how many. Okay, how many fingers has a hand? The hand has 5 fingers. Understand? Now, second is Shaurya got 10 marks. Shaurya got 10 marks. This statement also giving the answer of question how many. How many marks Shaurya got? How many marks Shaurya got? Shaurya got 10 marks. This is the answer. Okay. Now third example is Sita has many frocks. Again, Sita has many frocks. This many is your adjective. I highlighted all the adjectives. Now question, this many is giving the answer of question how many. How many frocks Sita has? How many frocks Sita has? The answer is Sita has many frocks. Understand? Now, number 4. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjectives point out a specific person, animal, place or thing. Demonstrative adjective point out a specific person, animal, place or thing. It answers the question which one. Demonstrative adjective give the answer of question which one. The demonstrative adjective in English are this, these, that and those. Now examples. This girl is beautiful. This girl is beautiful. Now we can make with which one? Can we make the question? Yes, na? We can make the question with which one. Which one girl is beautiful? This is the question. Here again I am writing for you to explain you this example. This is your demonstrative adjective. THIS. This is your demonstrative adjective. This girl is beautiful. Beautiful. Just before I told you demonstrative adjective gives the answer of question which one. Look at here. Question which one girl is beautiful. Beautiful. This is the question. है ना? We can make the question with which one. For this statement, which one girl is beautiful? The answer of this question is this girl is beautiful. Understand, my dear student? Now some more example. If you want to note down explanation of example, you can do. That boy is tall. This that is your demonstrative adjective. Question for this statement, which one boy is tall? Then answer is that boy is tall. Understand? Now third example, third. These mangoes are sweet. These word is your demonstrative adjective. Question for this statement is which mangoes are sweet? Which mangoes are sweet? Then answer is this statement. These mangoes are sweet. Okay. Now your example number 4th. Those trees are tall. This those word is your demonstrative adjective. Those trees are tall. Which trees are tall? Question for this statement, which trees are tall? Those trees are tall. This is the answer. Demonstrative adjective always gives the answer of which one. Now the fifth kinds of adjectives is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose, and what that are used along with nouns to ask question. Interrogative adjectives are used to make the question. We use it before the noun sometime. And here are the examples. Which house is hers? This which is making the question. If we will remove this which from here, house is hers. It is not a question. Okay. Now second, whose. This is your demonstrative adjective. Whose pen is this? Without whose, this statement is no question. It is not a question. Okay. Now third, same third. What is your name? If I will remove this what, the meaning will be changed or not? The meaning will be changed. So which, whose, and what. These three words are our interrogative adjectives. Understand? Now possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Here, a word that indicates the possession of the noun to a person, a few people. To a person या फिर few people. The possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, their, her, and its. These are our possessive adjectives. These words. Which one? This. My, our, your, his, their, her, and its. All these words you have to learn also. Now the example of this. She is my sister. This my is our possessive adjective. Now second, these are your sweets. These your word is our possessive adjective. Ansika lost her book. Ansika lost her book. This her word is our possessive adjective. Understand? My dear student, today I gave you homework also. Do exercise 22 and 23, page 23 and 24. All kinds of adjective you have to note down in your notebook. But this homework you have to do in your English grammar book. Okay? Do this work in your English grammar book. Here is the book. This is your English grammar book. And this is your exercise number 22. Fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives which I told you. You have to fill 1 to 10 with possessive adjective. Here also I fill for you. Look at here. The tree is losing its leaves. The trees are losing their leaves. This is your tree, singular. So we have to use its. And this is your trees in second sentence. Trees are your plural. So we will use here there. The trees are losing their leaves. Okay. The husband is walking with his wife. Husband is walking, not wife is walking with his husband. Here in this sentence, husband is walking. So we will write here his. Okay. Now in fourth sentence, wife is walking with. Then here is wife means feminine. So we will write here her. Wife is walking with her husband. Okay. You have a name. Your name is Rama. And sixth, where are dash books children? What possessive adjective we have to fill here? Your. Where are your books children? Now 7. Kanta is carrying her brother. Kanta is a girl, feminine. So we have to write here her. Okay. Now here again Meera. Meera is walking with her father. Meera is also feminine. So we will write here her. Now here mother. Mother is also a feminine. Is walking with her son. Understand? In last sentence, the father is walking with his daughter. Here father is walking. So we have to write here his. Understand? This is your masculine. With masculine we have to write here his. Now exercise number 23. The question: pick out the adjectives in the following sentences and say what kind of adjective each one is. Each one adjective you have to told kind, its kind also. Also tell the noun it belongs to, and you have to recognize the noun also. I will explain this one only. The old man has grey hair. Here is your, this is your noun, man, and here is your noun. Okay, these two are noun, and old is adjective for man and grey is adjective for your hair. You have to tell the kinds of adjective of old and grey. What you have to do? You have to write here in this place this noun also and the kinds of this noun. Okay, can you tell me the kinds of this noun? Oh, adjective. Which adjective is this? Old and grey. This is adjective of, you can insert ad, adjective of quality. Quality. Old and grey is the adjective of quality. And also tell the noun it belongs to. Noun कौन से इसमें? Which are the nouns? This man and hair. Do like this. Man and hair. These are your noun and old and grey is your adjectives. Understand? So do this work like this and click the photos of your homework and upload it on Ursal. I want these mangoes. Now this is your second and first I done, and from second to till 10 you have to do yourself and upload the picture of your homework also. Then I will check your work and I will give you attendance. Student attendance is very important. Okay, so submit your all subject work regularly. Don't miss to submit your work. Okay, and now I hope my all dear students are not going outside from the house because of COVID-19. So my dear, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.